Need to send a quick receipt or invoice? Let Copilot write it for you, fast, clear, and ready to share. If you offer any kind of service, cleaning, tutoring, repairs, you can create a simple receipt or invoice directly in Word using Copilot. Idea 1. Basic service invoice. Try this prompt. Write an invoice for house cleaning, $80 total, service on July 10th. Copilot gives you a clean layout with amount, date, and service description. Be sure to check out our course at burntolearn.com, where we demonstrate how Copilot transforms your Microsoft Office tools into an unparalleled productivity suite and efficiency across all your projects. Idea 2. Itemized receipt for multiple services. Type this into Copilot. Create a receipt for tutoring sessions, 3 hours at $25 per hour, paid in full. Copilot lists each item clearly and adds a total automatically. Idea 3. Receipt for home repair work. Ask Copilot, generate a receipt for fixing a leaky faucet and replacing a shower head, $120 total. It's simple, detailed, and ready to send to your client. Skip the formatting and let Copilot do the paperwork.